Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware and free memory, because the device needs space to save Python projects and libraries. Once done, open the menu and launch the Python app, make a new program or import a Py from microSD if you already have code. Make sure to name the program clearly, pick the orientation you prefer, and press EXE to enter edit mode. You will now see a simple editor. Learn the keys for indent, delete, and run. This gets you into writing immediately. Now you write code with the device keyboard. Start small, print hello, then experiment with input, lists, and the math module so you understand limitations. Use the dedicated indent key for blocks and keep functions short. Run code frequently to catch syntax or runtime errors early and inspect variable output in the console. Make sure to save after each working change. If you need larger scripts, split logic into functions and use microSD for backups and transfers. This avoids data loss and speeds iteration. Finish by optimizing and deploying. Refactor to minimize memory, prefer loops over duplicated code, and test edge cases. Once stable, copy the script to microSD or connect via USB to edit on a PC. This lets you manage larger libraries. If something fails, run the program stepwise, examine the exact error message, and verify indentation and built-in function compatibility. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the calculator to clear RAM, then rerun a minimal version to isolate the fault quickly and restore predictable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.